Welcome back. If you've ever felt paralyzed staring at three different lab tools wondering which one to actually install, this lecture is for you. In the next few minutes, we'll break down Packet Tracer, GNS3, and EVING, and figure out which one fits where you are right now in your CCNA journey. Pick the right tool today, and you'll save yourself hours of setup headaches down the road. Here's why this choice actually matters. Most students grab whatever tool their instructor mentioned first, and then burn 30 hours wrestling with the software instead of actually learning networking. Each of these tools has genuine strengths and genuine limitations. There's no wrong answer here, only a wrong starting point for where you are today. So, in the next 4 minutes, you'll know exactly which one to start with, and just as importantly, when it's time to graduate to the next. So let's meet the three contenders. Packet Tracer is Cisco's own free simulator. Drag, drop, done, and perfect when you're brand new and just need labs to work. GNS3 steps things up by running actual Cisco iOS images, so you're touching the real software you'd see on a job. That's where serious exam prep happens. And EVING is the enterprise-grade platform, the one professionals spin up on a server to model entire networks. 3 tools, 3 different moments in your journey. Now let's put them side by side. Notice the most important route first. All 3 cover 100% of the CCNA blueprint, so you genuinely cannot pick a wrong tool here. What changes is the cost of entry. Packet Tracer gets you labbing in 10 minutes on 2 gigs of RAM, while EVING asks for a couple of hours and 16 gigs before you see a single prompt. So the real question isn't which is best, it's how much setup pain you're willing to trade for realism. So let's zoom in on Packet Tracer, since that's where most of you should begin. Its real superpower is friction. There almost isn't any. 10-minute install, drag and drop devices, and built-in tutorials that walk you through your first configurations. The trade-off is that it's a simulator, not the real Cisco iOS. So a handful of advanced commands behave differently, and you can't load third-party images. But for 90% of the blueprint, that gap simply doesn't matter yet. GNS3 is where things get real. You're running genuine Cisco iOS images on your own machine, so every command in the blueprint behaves exactly as it would on production gear. The catch is, you'll need to source those images yourself, set aside an hour for setup, and have 4 to 8 gigs of RAM to spare. My recommendation: graduate here after Section 3 once you've got the fundamentals down and you're hungry for the real CLI under your fingers. And then there's EVING, the platform you'll find inside professional Cisco training centers. It runs in a browser, handles topologies of 20-plus devices, and gives you the same environment enterprise engineers use to rehearse real network changes. The trade-off is serious: a 1 to 2 hour first setup, 8 to 16 gigs of RAM, and you still bring your own iOS images. My honest take: bookmark this for your capstone labs after you're already CNA ready. So how do you actually choose? Pick based on where you are today, not where you imagine you'll be in 6 months. If you're just starting out with 2 to 4 gigs of RAM and you want to be running labs in the next 10 minutes, Packet Tracer is your answer. Once you've cleared the first 3 sections and you're hungry for real iOS behavior, graduate to GNS3. And only when you hit the capstone labs in Section 9 or you're eyeing CCNP does EVING earn its place on your machine. So if you're still on the fence, let me make it simple. If I had to pick just one tool for a CCNA beginner in 2026, it would be Packet Tracer. Because zero setup friction means you're configuring your first router within 20 minutes, and motivation beats perfection every time. Think of it as a 3-stage journey. Weeks 1 through 3 on Packet Tracer building foundations. Weeks 4 through 7 adding GNS3 for real iOS practice. And from week 8 onward, bringing in EVING for capstones and exam prep. Now, before you head off to start, let me save you some pain by sharing the 4 traps I watch students fall into every single month. The first is jumping straight into GNS3 or EVING on day 1. You'll burn 10 hours on setup before typing a single command, and your motivation won't survive it. The second is the opposite snobbery, dismissing Packet Tracer as just a simulator when it actually covers 100% of the CCNA exam. The third is ignoring the ready-made topology files that ship with this course. Load them, and you skip 80% of the setup. And the fourth is tool hopping. Pick one, stick with it for at least 2 weeks, and remember, the best tool is simply the one you'll actually open today. So here's the truth I want you to carry out of this lecture. The tool doesn't matter. The commands you type do. Packet Tracer, GNS3, EveEng. They're just stages. The real skill lives in your fingers and in your understanding of what each command actually does. So, in the next lecture, we'll get Packet Tracer installed together, step by step. See you in Lecture 2.2.